How do we put together a ULP unit planner? Well, you've got to think of many different things. What is the unit about? What are the learning objectives? All of the different things students are going to be learning. You need to think about universal understandings, these powerful statements that are using a couple of concepts in a phrase that can be transferred. You need to think about the skills that students are going to be developing. You need to think about the concepts they're going to learn. You need to think about how you're going to assess the students and what type of strategy the students need to do as well as they can on those assessments. If you're thinking about all of these different elements, you're thinking in a ULP way. But there's more. Concepts and skills can be thresholds. Thresholds are moments in learning that are very important. They are fundamental. They change the way you are as a learner. Once you get past that threshold, you're much stronger, you're much better, you're more comfortable, you have a new language, you have a new way of understanding things. Think about a concept like moles in chemistry. Think about a concept such as calculus in mathematics. Think about a concept such as gravity in physics. Once you've really grasped those and understood those threshold concepts, you're in a new way of thinking. Pensez également, lorsqu'il s'agit des compétences, à certains seuils, comme celui qui fait du surf et qui n'arrive pas à se mettre debout sur le plancher. Une fois qu'il est debout, il est dans un autre monde. Ou quelqu'un dans un match de volleyball qui n'arrive pas à faire un smash. Quand il a maîtrisé le smash, son jeu est différent. Il a été transformé, il a dépassé ce seuil. Des seuils sont fondamentaux, il faut pouvoir les identifier dans le curriculum, dans les compétences et dans les concepts. Another thing is when we look at assessments and the strategies that learners need to do well in those assessments, we need to think about UNESCO's micro-competences because they will be activating micro-competences as they work towards these assessments. If I'm assessing a student, I'm not just assessing content knowledge, but I'm assessing some micro-competence. And we refer you to our table that explains what the micro-competences are and how you can find them. You should do the same for strategies so that we're thinking way beyond the unit into these life-worthy, future-proof micro-competences. Lorsqu'on est en train de traiter l'évaluation et les stratégies nécessaires pour que les apprenants réussissent un maximum à ces évaluations, pensons aux micro-compétences. Quelles sont les compétences qui sont enfouies dans ces évaluations? Car il faut aller bien au-delà de l'unité dans une salle de classe et penser à ces compétences qui vont préparer les élèves pour la vie. Voici la pensée ULP et le Unit Planner ULP.